Smriti Irani is taking on Pawan Verma, BJP versus JDU on the News Hour versus Tonight. Smriti Irani, completely unfair, isn't it, of the BJP? Not once ever has Mr. Nitish Kumar mentioned anything which sort of indicates his prime ministerial ambition. And this kind of language from Narendra Modi. Can you tell me one occasion on which Nitish Kumar has shown and reflected the prime ministerial ambition, which according to Narendra Modi is the dream that doesn't let him sleep?
Firstly, there is a presumption that Mr. Modi is referring to a particular arrogant leader, and that arrogant leader happens to be Nitish Kumar. I don't know on what basis Mr. Nitish Kumar presumes that.
Well, there is a statement by Narendra Modi.
For Mr. Modi did not, where Mr. Modi is not particularly named anyone.
No, he has talked of the BJP-JDU alliance. Is he talking about himself?
Quite surprising that Mr. Nitish Kumar deems himself important enough to associate the word arrogant with himself. I think that one needs to go back and understand that Mr. Nitish Kumar is the one who made a personal attack, political attack on Narendra Modi while the BJP was still in the process of discussing who the prime ministerial nominee of the BJP and the NDA would be. So, just to refresh your memory on News Hour this evening, I think Mr. Nitish Kumar
the question is
understand that he is who made personal pot shots.
I repeat my point to you, Smriti Irani. I repeat my point to you despite your attempt to dodge that. The question is this, and the challenge thrown to you on the News Hour is simple. Give me one example.
Everybody's memory.
Give me one example. My memory is fairly good.
Yes.
My question to you is, if you give one example
in that case, Arnab, I'm sure you will remember.
No.
In Mr. Modi's Patna rally, when bombs were going off everywhere, if Mr. Modi had any personal grudge against Mr. Nitish Kumar,
Smriti, the question is you are trying to shift the goalpost.
Yes,
the question is very simple. I am asking you for a second and a third time on the News Hour tonight. Is there any occasion
the very fact that Nitish Kumar broke a political alliance which was blessed by the mandate of the voters of Bihar only because he had a personal axe to grind with Mr.
No, you've not been
Modi.
able to answer this
now. It's not
now.
a subject of speculation. It is an open public.
No, Smriti, you've not answered the question. Now, please allow me to. If you allow me to complete, I'll tell you.
In my answer.
No, you've not. If you allow me to ask my question, I will tell you why you have not answered that question. Because the question was, if you were to give me one simple example.
Ask your question,
Thank you for your permission. If you were to give me one single example of when Nitish Kumar actually referred to his prime ministerial ambition, I would not say that Narendra Modi was spinning Nitish Kumar's words out of context only to fill his poll narrative. But since you have not been able to give me one example, I presume you admit it is. But I'm going to give Pawan Verma. It's a News Hour versus. Let's give Pawan Verma an opportunity. Pawan Verma.
Allow me to give the answer
Who
to a
overreacted? Did Nitish overreact? No, one second.
Let me remind you of the nonchalant way in which Mr. Nitish Kumar had that little foxy smile again and said, I can make a good prime minister.
Foxy smile. Interesting. Foxy smile. I don't know what kind of smile.
My French tonight.
Well, I don't know.
Pardon me for my French tonight.
No, it's all right. It's all right.
Let me just say this. I've
got to get a reaction from I've got to get a reaction from Pawan Verma. Pawan Verma, in August 2012.
Sure.
See, I actually asked the question to Smriti and she couldn't give me an example. But the closest that I got to when I looked at my archives was that please. In August 2012.
I did.
No, but Nitish.
It was a nonchalant.
Just Smriti, my reaction. Now, please.
He said I can also
Smriti, now let me please allow me, Smriti. Allow me, Smriti. I have never heard Nitish Kumar deny his prime ministerial ambitions either. Have you? Pawan Verma, give me one example when he has denied his prime ministerial ambition. Categorically.
First of all, Arnab, just let me set the record straight. The NDA will stand witness to the fact that throughout Mr. Nitish Kumar maintained that within a coalition, a prime minister will be chosen from the largest constituent of that coalition, which in the case of the NDA, when the JDU was a part of it, was the BJP. His only sin, as far as its current supreme leader is concerned, is to question that leader's credentials in terms of his ability to carry all the people of India together. His latest comment was, in the context in response to a question, he said, in terms of the credentials that the current claimants to the Prime Minister's seat Perhaps I have as good, if not better, credentials.
That's
because I had the
advertising himself.
opportunity of serving
That's
as the
advertising
cabinet
himself for the
minister
Prime Minister's job, isn't it?
and the chief minister.
That he's advertising himself for the Prime Minister's job. So Modi was
therefore,
right.
I would say, no. I just want to clarify to you, Arnab, that what he was saying was that those who are claiming to be prime ministerial candidates, their credentials for the job can be interrogated.
And which other person?
Certainly a comparison with those.
So he's competing with Modi. Come on, admit it. You're admitting it tonight. You're admitting he was competing with Modi.
He made it clear, Arnab. I'm
made
not
what
beating
clear?
around the bush. He made it clear in the context of Mr. Modi and in the context of Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
That I too am in the race.
His experience in politics is probably better credentials for the prime ministerial job. But just for the record, I will say that he maintained throughout that in a coalition, the prime minister must come from the largest constituent of that
that's
coalition.
a giveaway. That's a giveaway. That's a giveaway. He has voiced his prime ministerial credentials. He has compared himself to Modi's prime ministerial credentials. And this, therefore, is the most open evidence of competition between the two for the jostling of the Prime Minister. Finally, Pawan Verma, you are making that big admission on the news tonight about your leader's prime ministerial ambitions.
Then I can have.
You said it. You said it.
No, can I just comment on the competition?
No, because I want to move to the arrogance part.
There's a real issue here. There is an arrogance issue that you have raised in your channel today. I just want to say, and I really want to say this to you as an ordinary citizen also. There is a problem in the style of functioning of Mr. Modi, who hops from podium to podium declaiming his achievements, telling every state in a fairly offensively patronizing tone that I will make you Gujarat. There is no space for questioning, no dialogue, no interrogation, and dissent is treated as blasphemy. Now, this kind of style is taking the people of India for a ride, and the real take from today's press conference of Nitish Kumar, that he has presented a set of statistics before the country on the so-called Gujarat model of development, which every concerned Indian citizen should read.
One thing which is apparent to me.
Evidence of it from
I see a hand go up. Smriti, I see. 1 second.
With a very arrogant style.
No, so
there is no other model in this country.
We have had
pulled holes into every aspect of it.
So we have had our opening remarks.
No, we
have had our opening remarks from both the panelists on our News Hour Versus. I have to take a commercial break. When we come out, I want to make one observation. Smriti, I'm going to let you completely rebut him when I come out on the other. One thing apparent to me, isn't it apparent to you, dear viewers, that however much both sides, Pawan Verma and Smriti Irani may dismiss it, there is one thing apparent to me, is that between these two leaders who they are representing is nothing and nothing but personal animosity. I'm coming back on the other side. Smriti will respond.